Hey there people, so a little while back I decided that I was going to make a key for this lock via impressioning, and with that goal in mind I went ahead and made myself a key blank out of some bits of brass that I had laying around. Now I managed to make it well enough so that it fits perfectly in the lock and it's able to be moved around. However, when it came time to do a little bit of impressioning, like putting a bit of pressure up against this, the lock just opened anyway. So much for the task of having to impression the key, because this blank works just fine anyway. So I'm guessing there's a bit of overlifting going on there. So that mission is a bit of a bust. However, I may have a second chance at this because I have another. Unfortunately, the keyways are opposite. So it means if I'm going to try it on this lock, I'm going to have to make myself another damn blank. But there you go. Bit of comedy of errors. Thought I might share what was happening with that lock. Peace and respect. I'm off to something else.